reveal our good practices, our strong system that we started implementing this year in Brazil. Without hitting anyone.